Hi guys, I have one doubt. How to carry of your mobile, of my mobile, without pocket, without bag? I have an idea. Hello, namaste, vanakkam, adab, salam alaikum, and you watching my YouTube channel, Indian Biker. So guys, today is unboxing day. Okay, let's do and check it out. Don't waste the time. Okay, go. Okay guys, let's unbox it. This product and I will buy to my own city Rajahmundry. I can buy the phone holder, friends. And next, this product online is available, and let's unbox it. Okay, there is a cover. Okay, keep aside. And next, mobile holder. There is no enough. And okay, this is the mobile holder. I can fix my scooter Activa 125. Okay, the quality was good. Okay, and this cost is only 300 rupees for the Rajahmundry. I have my own city and Rajahmundry, and online price is 350 above. Okay, this is the lock button. I have see this. Okay, let's just press it. Okay, this wings has removed and this size. Okay, and keep your phone inside and the lock. Okay, your phone has secure off. Okay, next packet, handle mount, this handle mount. And next is this lock, holder lock. Okay, and this type to fit is this holder. You can fit this cars, motorcycles, scooters, bicycles. This quality was superb, and 300 rupees, so much better than quality of this product. I have liked this product. Okay, that's all for unboxing, and go to the fix my scooter of the Activa 125. Let's go. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Yes. Okay guys, these are items in the box. One of the tight screw and this type of module, and this is clamp, and you can fit the size of bike and scooter 1 2 3 inches. I can fix the one. Okay, you can see this in my video. Here are the star of the mobile holder, and these are items in the box. Link in the description box below. Guys, I made this type of module, and I'm go to the welding shop and I made this the module. I can fit this my scooter and my active 125 and get this mobile holder, fit this. This my mirror and this module, you can see this, and let's put it up holder. Friends, I fit the my bracket, universal mobile bracket mobile holder. You can see this clearly. Like this, and back camera like this. Sorry for noise. Okay, let's go and check it out. Okay guys, you can fix this and remove it of your scooter and any bike. Okay, you can see this clearly. Okay,
stars fall at my feet, keep me grounded as I reach higher than I see. Is there something there for me, pulling back the rain?